This is the story of a little bird who lived in a scorching desert where every day was full of pain. She was always sick. Her feathers had fallen off. She could not fly, and she had no home.
No food, no water, only loneliness, struggle, and sadness.
One day, a white pigeon appeared in the sky. The little bird called, "Brother, please stop." The pigeon asked, "What happened, sister? Why do you look so sad?" "Where are you going?" she asked. "I am going to heaven," the pigeon replied. A small hope appeared in her eyes. She folded her wings and prayed, "Brother, please ask God about me. When will my pain end? When will my bad days turn into good days?" The pigeon promised, "I will surely ask for you," and flew away. When he reached heaven, he met an angel at the gate and told him about the suffering bird. The angel said, "God has written 10 more years of sorrow for her." The pigeon asked, "If I tell her, she will lose all hope. Isn't there any way to help her?" The angel smiled and said, "Tell her to say, 'Thank you, God, for everything, in every situation.' That is her real test." The pigeon returned and told the little bird. At first, she did not understand, but she made a promise. Slowly, something magical began. Her weak feathers were replaced by strong new ones. One day, black clouds gathered. Strong winds blew. Suddenly, heavy rain poured down.
Green plants sprouted. A small pond appeared. She became healthy again. She could fly.
After 10 days, the pigeon passed by. He was shocked to see her laughing and flying. The angel explained, her 10 years of sorrow were reduced because she burned her past karma with pure gratitude. Most of us start complaining at small problems, but gratitude can change our destiny. Complaining makes life heavier. Gratitude makes life lighter. From today, promise yourself, whatever situation God keeps me in, I will always thank Him with all my heart. Just this small change can transform your entire life. Let's say together, thank you, God, for everything.